Today on Animal Fact Files, we're discussing toadfish. These distinct animals get their common name from their toad-like appearance with their strong pelvic fins and wide mouth. They kind of look like toads. They're also known as frogfish and dogfish, but these common names are most often applied to other fish species, so we'll stick with toadfish for this episode. The name toadfish is sometimes applied to other fish, like pufferfish, but we have a separate episode for them. There are approximately 80 living species in the toadfish family, and they can be found in tropical and temperate seas around the world. Some also venture into brackish water, and a few species even live in freshwater, where they travel in freshwater rivers. They are bottom dwellers and live in muddy or sandy areas from near the shoreline to depths exceeding 1,000 feet below sea level. They also utilize rocks and vegetation as hiding places. Toadfish eyes are positioned towards the top of their head, with their mouth angled upwards. Similar to frogfish we've covered in a previous episode, a toadfish's wide mouth is useful for catching and swallowing its prey whole. They're ambush predators, and toadfish eat crustaceans, snails, slugs, cephalopods, other fish, and more. They have teeth to help them hold on to prey, and some have venom glands to strike out against foes. Those with hollow dorsal spines can inject toxins into a wound, such as those inflicted when the fish is stepped on or caught on a fishing line. Other species have solid dorsal spines with no venom to inject. Dolphins are a top predator to toadfish because these fish make their presence known. Male toadfish contract muscles in their swim bladder to create sounds that attract females to them. These muscle contractions are some of the fastest known in the world, happening as rapidly as 300 contractions per second. They honestly sound like a phone vibrating on a hard surface. The warmer the water, the faster they can move. This has given rise to another of their common names, the singing fish. The sounds they produce draw females in, but they can also draw in dolphins who know to listen for their calls. Other predators to toadfish include seals, sea lions, and seabirds. Male toadfish defend nests in which a female lays her eggs. These may be under a rock or inside debris like thrown-out bottles. While the parents mate, an underdeveloped male may sneak his way into the nest to fertilize the eggs at the same time. The dominant male chases any sneaker males away, but often the nest has genetic material from multiple paternal parents. The dominant male protects the nest and doesn't eat until after his babies have hatched. Toadfish can grow to 16 inches long, depending on the species. They aren't strong swimmers and rely on their environment and their fleshy, wobbegong-like protrusions to keep them hidden from threats. There is, however, one species that can produce light. They're some of the only known shallow water fish to do this. For more facts on toadfish, check out the links below. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today. This episode was suggested by our #1 Patreon supporter, my dad. Thanks, Dad! Hope you and the Chasing Spirits gang learned lots. And thanks to you, our wonderful viewers, for watching Animal Fact Files.